Welcome YouTube to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Prince of Wales Bridge. Spanning the mighty River Severn and connecting two nations, the Prince of Wales Bridge stands as a modern marvel of engineering and a symbol of unity. Originally known as the Second Severn Crossing, the bridge's tale began in 1996. Designed to alleviate traffic from its older sibling, the Severn Bridge, it was a feat of planning and engineering. With a total length of over 5,000 meters and a main span stretching 456 meters, the bridge's cable-stayed design not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds to the aesthetic beauty of the landscape. Beyond its steel and concrete, the bridge is a lifeline for commerce, connecting communities and fueling economic growth on both sides of the Severn. The bridge also coexists with the environment, with careful considerations taken to minimize its impact on the river's unique ecosystem. In 2018, the bridge was bestowed with a new name, the Prince of Wales Bridge, in honor of Prince, now King, Charles. The Prince of Wales Bridge is more than just a crossing, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a bridge between cultures. As we look towards the horizon, it stands ready to carry us into the future. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.